Welcome to the 10th annual Somali Health Board Health Fair hosted in Mave Center in Burien. My name is Dr. Ahmed Ali. I am the Executive Director for Somali Health Board, and we're here today at the 10th Health Fair of Somali Health Board's Health Fair being held this year in Burien at Muslim American Youth Foundation. This marks one of our largest attended events throughout the year that brings resources to the Somali community, the East African community, and the immigrant refugee communities throughout South King County.
My name is Abdi Fattah Ali Dahir, and I work for Somali Health Board. I'm the events manager. It took us a lot of efforts, a lot of time to plan this event. We have been planning over the last 4 or 5 months. We put a lot of efforts to reach out to a lot of communities, the hospitals, our partners that we have been working together for so long.
This year, we have about 30 different vendors that are providing resources to the community. That ranges anywhere from vaccines to resources such as health testings, COVID testing supplies, clinics and hospitals that usually service our community throughout King County. And the intention about the health fair in itself is to not just to bring the community to take the resources, but for them to connect with the health systems that support them. Right? We have our community partners as well. Somali Community Services is here. Mave Center, which is our main partner for this event, is here as well as the clinics and the hospitals that serve the Somali population. We also emphasize on bringing health professionals that speak Somali language, that serve the Somali community, and young and aspiring health professionals to also volunteer and give their time to the community as well. We have a lot of young folks who are either in high school or college who are interested in health field, who are here as volunteers and stepping stone for them to be connected and network with health professionals that look like them and the health system that represents them in King County.
My name is Zahra Farah. I'm the Director of Somali Community Services of Seattle. And I would like to say thank you so much for Somali Health Board, who's organized this big event, and I would like to be part of that. We've been together for 10 years for doing this event, and I would like to say thank you again. And I just want to say Somali Preach, thank you. You're always there for us. Somali Community Service of Seattle is the first foundation on Somali in Washington State. Since the 95, we still helping the community and doing a lot of different programming, youth program, senior program, and a lot of other services. I just want to say thank you, Abdi Fattah, I think, who organized today. He did a wonderful job.
Magacayga Ismahaan Abdulhakim baa la yidhaahaa. I am here with Community Health Plan of Washington with Somali Health Board event today. Community Health Plan of Washington is a nonprofit organization that offers Medicaid, Medicare, and QHP. I am here to answer any questions about health insurance, if you want to enroll with health insurance, if you're looking for just to know more benefit of your coverage. Support them, anything they need, and we're here to help our community who are looking for health coverage and the benefit they have, and to send them any their clinic they're looking for, the resources they're looking for, and all that.
I'm Taylor with Global Perinatal Services. We deal with pregnancy and parenting support, lactation support, moms who need help with their babies. I'm a doula, community doula, and we help the immigrant, refugee, low-income community. And we also certify other women if they want to become doulas in the community. We have a various range of doulas that speak various different languages. We have mom support groups and father support groups, and we're happy to be here today.
Hello, my name is Kellyanne, and I am at the Somali Health Board's 10th Annual Health Fair. We are here in Burien at the MAYF. And today we are from the University of Washington Health Promotion Research Center sharing information about COVID-19 and the COVID-19 vaccine and encouraging folks to get vaccinated.
Hi, I'm Stephanie Clark. I'm one of the sports medicine fellows at Swedish Sports Medicine in Seattle here at the 10th Annual Health Fair. We're here doing pre-participation sports physical exams for people participating in sports this fall.
Hi, my name is Bahdon. I'm here today at the 10th annual Somali Health Board Fair. With me, I brought Somali, the first Somali entertainment media for kids, Bahdon Media. I'm displaying Awowe COVID and I. This is a book that I collaborated with the Somali Health Board. It's translated into English and Somali. This is the first book that talks about COVID, the issues that surrounds it. Other than that, as you can see on my table, I have variety of things, and all of these things are Somali based, Somali background. And the reason why I chose to do what I do is to uplift the community and to also represent them, not just in political places but academics, literature and everything. So once again, Bahdon Media, I came here to celebrate with Somali Health Board on their 10th annual health fair, and also present the book that they have invested in, the book that they have worked so hard for. And yeah, I'm just happy to be here and to share everything Bahdon Media has created with the Seattle community.
My name is Najma. I'm with Wild Fitness. It stands for Workout Women. It's a women gym that we opened, me and my friend. And I'm here to share with our sisters today that there's a female fitness that we provide all kind of programs that we have. We have one-on-one, we have a group workout, it's regular gym, and hopefully in the future we can make it a bigger one.
My name is Nasra Mohammed. I work at Somali Health Board as an event and policy coordinator. I'm very pleased with all the community members that took the time out of their day to come out and support our event. I'm also very thankful and pleased with the turnout we had for our sponsors, and also MAFE for allowing us to use their space.
First of all, I want to thank MAFE, Muslim American Youth Foundation, that allowed us to be on their spaces, this beautiful space that they have. We also wanted to thank American Group, Sound Transit, and Swedish that sponsored the event. I also want to thank the community that showed up and all the vendors.
My name is Salma and I work for Harborview, and the 10th annual health fair went well. I'm happy to see all ages, people, the older people, young people. I'm really happy that the event went well. Thank you so much, and great food.